You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. If you're moving from the United States to Mexico and planning to ship your household goods, there's one document you need to understand before your shipment leaves. The Maneje de Casa. The Maneje de Casa is a notarized inventory of your used household goods and personal belongings. In simple terms, it tells Mexican customs that these are your personal items for your new residence, not commercial goods. That matters because this document is what helps qualify your shipment for duty-free entry. Without approval, your shipment could be treated like a standard import, and that can lead to significant duties and taxes at the port of entry. For many families, this is one of the biggest avoidable mistakes in the moving process. This document is especially important for Americans relocating to Mexico with furniture, clothing, kitchen items, decor, and other used household goods. It must be accurate, complete, and prepared correctly. Vague descriptions, missing items, or last-minute paperwork can create delays and extra costs. The key point is, this is not just any other form. It's the custom foundation of your move. At SDC International Shipping, we help clients understand the documents required for international household moves so they can plan with more confidence. Visit our website or call 877-339-0267 to speak with a moving specialist about your move to Mexico.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.